All right, I think this is my favorite thing so far. Wow. We need one of these in lemonade.
Come on, press start. What? It's 2-player? Yeah. Where am I?
We may be here for a while.
Once you hit a certain age, when birthdays come around, they don't have the same impact they had before. It's not necessarily the thought that you hate the idea of getting older, because for us, age is more of a state of mind as opposed to a number. But instead, birthdays have become about spending time with loved ones. And today, as we celebrate my birthday in Copenhagen, we are thrilled that my sister has come to spend some time with us.
Good morning from Copenhagen, Denmark. I know, we left Norway and we're now in Denmark. It wasn't really an eventful crossing. We went down like the driving route. We didn't take the ferry. We crossed through Sweden. We crossed into Denmark. The most expensive toll we ever taken in our life was the crossing from Sweden to Denmark. 100 US dollars for like a 5-mile, what appears to be like a 5-mile bridge. Crazy. All right. Anyway, you hear this thing that's going off. This is my directions. I am now heading towards a Fiat dealership. Yes, finally, the whole like windshield wiper debacle is being rectified. We tried different methods. You guys gave us some suggestions. We looked under the hood. We're not very good at looking under the hood. So we decided that it was just time to get ourselves into a dealership to get this thing to straighten out one way or another. Yeah. Here, it's just, you go like that and nothing's happening. You want something to happen, unfortunately it's not. And also look right there, the check engine light's on. That's like a brand new thing, so hopefully they're gonna look into that. We're here in Copenhagen for a couple days, so we're not gonna be driving anywhere, so this is like the perfect timing for us. Unfortunately, it's not the best on the budget because taking it to a dealership is always like a bit of a price tag, but you know what, might as well get it done right. We are going to sell this one day, and so we want to make sure that she's in tip-top shape. Yeah. I have an appointment to drop off the vehicle for service. Okay. And goodbye, lemonade. Get better soon. Get those new windshield wipers working. So with that, we are on our Danish adventure. I never thought we'd be saying Danish adventure. Nevertheless, today's part of the adventure is getting back to the place that we're staying at. I gotta take a bus, I gotta take a taxi, I don't even know. I think I'm gonna take public transportation, and at least from like right here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Isn't this the way everyone wants to wake up in front of a computer?
Oh my gosh. So I spent the morning dropping off lemonade so you can have a restful morning. Look at this bed.
It's so comfortable.
This is so nice.
I know.
What's going on, Emma?
Showing Laura how to artfully cut and arrange pears. Learned it from my baking class.
So every year for Jessica's birthday, we have a small tradition. It's just like a big tradition for us, but it's not a huge thing, but it's like those little small things that really make the big differences. How excited are you for baking?
Are you kidding me? I'm probably more excited than Mom is. That's enough.
Yes, I know Jessica likes to be vegetarian, but bacon on her birthday, it's a cannot miss.
Mom, don't look! Oh gosh, I'm sorry. No. Okay, so just so I know. I read.
Because we have this massive space, and by the way, we're in a massive space right now because we have guests over. We have a full kitchen. This is like a huge thing for us. Are you surprised?
Go back in bed. Get back in bed.
Oh, we're not gonna do it in bed this year, are we?
Go back in bed. No, we're not. Go back in bed. No, here. No, go away. Stop here. Stop it. Here.
All 5 of us are gonna get in my bed.
It's not a surprise. We do it every year. Come on.
We do it every year. Usually it's breakfast in bed. All right.
Let's do it here.
Let's go. I'm coming.
And you know what the sad thing is?
Is that you managed to not see it while you just walked across from the bedroom to the bathroom?
And took my shower and...
Right. You're very good at hiding your...
Wow.
Look at that.
That is quite a platter.
You excited?
I like this birthday girl stuff. So we really only have one day in Copenhagen. It's a big city with a small city feel. It's a type of city that you can have family meet you in, go for leisurely walks, and get reacquainted. We were on our way to the Lego store and we got a bit derailed because we are going to check out the Guinness World Records because the kids are obsessed with stuff like this and they've never been in one before. So let's go see what we can find. Avalon is having real world experiences today, learning how to tie her first tie.
This is such a weird thing to learn to tie.
And what is the record for this?
The longest tie is 2,650 feet long.
Wow.
It's a long tie.
Avalon is now standing next to the tallest man ever. He was from the United States.
165 centimeters.
And he's 270? Wow. Avalon is going to try and break the record of the longest dominoes chain today.
I don't have enough dominoes to break the record. You're going to help, Largo? Oh my God. No! There we go.
You get it, Avalon? Get it. You got it.
No, I can't get it, but I've done it before.
It's a great cup stacking challenge.
No, you need to unstack them and then stack them. You do? Yeah. Why do you think you're still doing this? Oh, maybe you were slow. This is so cool. I can't believe no one recommended this to us.
I've seen these before, but we have never come into one.
I've never seen them before.
Yeah, I've seen them in a couple different cities. Now, what was your favorite thing you just saw that you said you could break that record?
Oh my, I couldn't break it. It's the M&Ms eaten in 1 minute with chopsticks. How many you can do?
That girl did 65?
Oh my God.
You could totally do that.
M&Ms are hard to pick up with or without chopsticks.
Let's set our own WorldTowning record.
WorldTowning record?
Hello.
So our next stop right now is what, in the kids' eyes, what Denmark and Copenhagen is all known for, and there's one toy thing that has been originated here, which is sort of taken off worldwide, which the kids play with like every single day. Check it out. Lego! Hi guys.
I believe this is a Christen Andersen street model. It's really cute.
So can I fly my Lego drone through it too?
Oh, that would be fun, wouldn't it? I don't think you can fly the drone here, right?
I don't think so,
Yeah.
no. Look at this, Margo. What do you think?
It's gargantuan. This is like too big to buy type thing.
How long would it take you to put that together?
Days.
That's it? Just days? You're not giving yourself enough credit.
Days. Like 5 days. Days. You know how complicated that would be?
This is your favorite part. Which is your favorite thing here?
My goodness, what is this?
I'm gonna get this.
You're gonna get that.
Will it fit in the RV?
Does it come with a coffee maker? Look,
Look how cute.
the guy said that's the most popular set they've sold in like forever.
Really?
Yeah, they can't keep them on the shelf.
Is it a new set?
It's like brand new. If we were like going for our 100,000 subscribers, we would actually give that
We
away.
could give one of these away. That would
Yeah.
be fun. You guys sub, and if we get to 100,000 at the end of the day, I'll come back and get this.
Yeah. You can
I guess-
you can subscribe anyway.
I guess we're still a little far from that.
Yeah. One of the things that we haven't done in a while is, well, I don't think we've actually done as a whole family, is ride these e-scooters. We've done a Segway, we've done the e-bikes. In fact, with Brandy we did. But this time these Lime scooters is, I don't know how I'm gonna do this to the camera. Is that your favorite part of the day so far, Largo?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, only if that e-scooter was made out of Legos, that'd be even better, huh?
Oh, that would be amazing.
If there's one thing that Copenhagen is known for, it's the age-old fables written in the pen of the Danish native Christen Andersen. There's a tribute to one of his most popular works, The Little Mermaid, here in Copenhagen.
Uh-oh. What are the kids doing?
This seems like someone's gonna get wet.
Is this against the law? Listen, police, we didn't do this on purpose.
Don't touch the mermaid.
You know, the story of The Little Mermaid is not the same as the
I
Disney
am
movie.
very aware that the story is gruesome and disgusting and people die.
What happened?
The Little Mermaid story is mostly true up until the part
Where they
where
kill her.
the see where she is actually not able to get the guy. He marries someone else. So the sea witch makes another deal with her and says, if you kill him with this knife I give you, you can be a mermaid again. But she doesn't do it, and the sea witch says, if you don't kill him with this knife I give you, you will die. So she died.
And then Sebastian, the hermit crab, comes in and starts singing a song, and everyone gets happy again.
Yep.
So this actually...
Oh, also, another gruesome part. Whenever she was walking on land, it actually felt like her feet were being impaled on knives.
Oh, it sounds like we're in Pamukkale. We can relate to her. So this statue was inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale, The Mermaid.
The Little Mermaid.
The Little Mermaid. It's actually quite beautiful.
It's an adaptation of the novel.
It's an adaptation of the novel. Exactly.
The movie was.
Yes.
Yeah. Not the same. So having paid homage to the Hans Christian Andersen portion of Copenhagen, it was starting to get late in the afternoon and we realized that we had had nothing to eat since breakfast. We have been told that the Danish open-face sandwiches are the most traditional lunch item you can get in Copenhagen.
It's sold out. Sold out? Oh, actually, I've got one left. It's potato salad.
So I am trying the famous open-face sandwiches that I was told we had to eat here. So I've got one that's potato salad, one that is some sort of a fish, and then we've got a pork one over here, which I might give to someone else. Interesting, they're cold. I actually thought they would be hot. I don't know why. And they look delicious. Now, I asked him, do I eat this with a fork and knife or do I just pick it up? Clearly looking at it now, I know I need to use a fork and knife, so.
These look like how you separate a bagel and then you put cream cheese on one side of the bagel.
Right.
And you just eat that part.
Inside of this whole, I guess, Copenhagen experience is that between dropping off the RV, Jessica's birthday, and now sort of just squeezing in what we can, it's not that much of an experience. So what we're gonna chalk up our Copenhagen experience is to hang out with Brandy.
Yeah.
That's basically what we're calling.
So, by the way, this is Brandy, my sister. You guys have seen her before.
She's awesome.
Prague.
So with that, we are done essentially with Copenhagen to a degree. I mean, like the whole exploring and seeing what this town is all about has been complete because they just called from the RV shop. Well, not the RV shop, but the Fiat shop. And they said, we're fixed. So I am heading back now. It's been a fun, exciting little like extravaganza here in Copenhagen.
He's sitting on the driveway, thinking about the past day. It could have gone better. It could have gone better. His father comes out.
And look at her. There's lemonade. There's my finger out of focus, but whatever, it doesn't matter. All right. And look at this. Open. This is like the first time I get to enter lemonade through like this side door. It's always locked. It's always locked because we always have like these massive locks here. We just leave them locked 100% of the time, so we're usually going through the side door, but this is really nice. Okay, this right now is going to be the proof that they did what they were supposed to do. Let's turn this on, and whoa! Okay, we're off. No! All right, so a little status update is that right now it doesn't want to start. Hoping it's just like a minor blip in the system. We'll see what happens. I'm optimistic. We're at the repair shop. They kind of know what they're doing here. And you see that they're actually, you can see they're still trying to fix it. So TikTok, here's a little update. Right now the car is still not working. They said that they're gonna try and get someone here to try and fix it. However, they're not optimistic because it is Friday afternoon, 6 p.m. and they think everyone's pretty much half drunk at this point. So I don't know what's gonna come about it. They're talking about maybe giving us a car for the weekend, but we got like issues going on here in terms of we need to get a hotel for the weekend and everything else because we're gonna be back in Lemonade. We're gonna sleep in her. This is gonna be our home weekend. This story is not yet over.
Yes.
What's up?
What's going on now?
They're chatting in a corner.
Did you say someone's coming back to fix it?
No, I think someone at least who has some decision-making power is coming. Hold on. I just heard something. I just heard the sound of a car revving. Is that right? Is it working? Yes? I hear it sounds good. So I do appreciate you having to come back here. It definitely was. I know it's a weekend, so thank you. Good news.
Yeah, I think so.
This is good news, except for there's this permanent.
You're gonna have this fault in good news.
And with that, we are out of here, even though the check engine light's still on. But you know what? That's another problem for another day. And today, I'm rolling. Woo! Okay. Now the question's gonna be is, how fast are they gonna have their beer after I'm out of here? I know how fast I would have that beer, but nevertheless. All right. End of story. End of Copenhagen. End of our windshield wiper problems. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Thanks for supporting me throughout all this. I know that, you guys were rooting for this thing to happen. Okay. I know I was. See you guys next time on WorldTowning. Hasta la bye-bye, and au revoir.
Look, Will, they have a gingerbread house one. How cute.
That's so cute. What about the RV one? Is that there too?
I haven't seen the
Oh, I tell you, where can you buy it? Lucky for you, it's all like in Lego pieces
It's all
already.
pieces.